In this video, I will show you how to apply for a skilled worker visa in the UK. First, open Google Chrome and search Apply Skilled Worker Visa UK. Click on the official gov.uk website. This visa allows you to live and work in the UK if you have a job offer from an approved employer. To apply, you need a certificate of sponsorship from your employer, details of the job, including salary, a valid passport, proof of English knowledge, and evidence of funds unless your employer covers them. You may also need a tuberculosis test result depending on your country. Once ready, click Apply Now. Sign in or create a UK visas and immigration account, then complete the online form by entering your personal details, job details, and uploading documents. You'll also pay the visa fee and healthcare surcharge. After that, you must prove your identity. You can either use the UK Immigration ID Check app or book an appointment at a visa application center. Once everything is complete, your application will be processed and you'll get a decision usually within 3 weeks if you're applying from outside the UK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.